The worker throws a block of butter into a mixing bowl filled with brown sugar. With the rotation of an angular wheel, the brown sugar and butter gradually blend. At this point, the worker will add the raw chocolate chips, flour, baking soda, salt, and beaten eggs, mixing all the ingredients together until they are well combined. After 7 or 8 minutes, the chocolate chips are evenly distributed in the dough. Then put the dough into the extruder and press it into the shape of a mooncake. These doughs will be directly frozen. As soon as the dough enters the freezer, liquid nitrogen will freeze the dough harder than a rock. On the other side, the workers start to prepare the packaging. The first machine stacks the boxes. The second machine prepares the inner packaging. The completely frozen dough is then transferred to the inductive scale below. When a certain amount of dough is in the inductive scale, the conveyor belt above stops. The inductive scale will transfer the dough into the prepared boxes. The workers will also pack and store the boxes. In addition to this, the factory also produces the finished cookies itself. The workers place the dough 5 centimeters apart on trays of parchment paper. This prevents them from sticking to each other. It's also easier to remove. Then the workers put a whole trolley of dough into a hot oven at 150 degrees and bake it for 7 minutes. There's already a noticeable difference between the finished cookies and the unbaked dough. At this point, the tester will pick out a few pieces to test the height of the cookies to ensure uniformity in packaging. These cookies are usually packaged in a round tin box. The worker adds an inner bag to the box and packs the cookies neatly into the box. The chocolate chip cookies are finished.